Hello, Showtimers! Today I'm unboxing Lebron James. I'm gonna open you up right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna open you. Woo! So, I'm character card. Don't get me out. I'm LeBron James. I'm a famous basketball player. What are you doing to me? No, I'll get you out of here. Don't get me out of here. It says Toon Squad. It has a basketball in the back. It has a 6 here. It is from Space Jam, A New Legacy. And because I like it because it looks like it is a Lamborghini. The color is sky blue, blue, orange, red, white, gray, black. It looks fast. Bye-bye, Showtimers.